Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a tea haul for you. So I was on my little break for quite some time, but the tea of course did not stop coming in. So I thought I would just show you what I got during that break, including my August Sips by Box. If you haven't been here before, hi, my name is Dana. I've been doing this for about 6 years, coming on here, talking about tea and sharing my life. So if you like this, you will probably like my other content. Go ahead and click the subscribe. Even if you're here for just this video, if you could give me a like, that would be really cool and helpful. But let's get into the haul. All right, let's see what we've got. Made for Dana. And we'll start with these guys. You already know. The disposable tea filters. And first thing I see is Energy Tea by Zest Tea, Pomegranate Mojito. And these are in sachets. Ooh, it's a green tea. I love like mojito kind of flavors in a tea, and you know I love my green tea. And there are 4 individual sachets of this, so that'll be really nice for traveling. I'm gonna be doing some traveling soon, so perfect. Ooh, I don't know what these guys are. To me, they look a little sketchy. They look a little different than the other packaging I've seen, but we could go ahead and take a look on here. So I think it's this, the 2021 Hokum Mini by White 2 Tea. Oh, a smooth and easy small batch show pour with light sweetness and fruity notes over a characteristic woody taste. Okay, so that sounds good. I've just never seen like this kind of packaging, but they must be like the round balls of pour, and they're just like wrapped up like that. Very interesting, and there's 2 of them, so these will be cool to try. Then we've got Lemonhead by Sis Got Tea. Cool. Black brewed, queer approved. I love that. We love to see it. Lemonhead, that sounds really good. Oh, and it's a white tea, so that's awesome. This one's gonna be a winner for sure. And we have Warm Hugs by Trader Nick's Tea Company, and this is a rooibos, creamy vanilla, and warm spices. Nice box. During my break, this brand Firebelly Tea sent me like a ton of tea. All of this, and then a big bag like this. There was actually 2 of these. So they sent me like a green tea sampler that had these 3 in it. I haven't tried them yet, but there's Makes Good Sencha, Flower Power, and Blossom. And then this was in a separate package, Silver Needles, which is a white tea, always good to have on hand. Can't ever go wrong. Such a treat. I don't buy a lot of white tea, but I do really love it. It feels so luxurious. And this one I don't see a label on, but I'm pretty sure it's this. I took the label off because I put it in like a tin and I like to tape them on. But this was the red oolong. And they sent me like a smaller thing of it and then a big one like this. And it's really, really good. It's just like a really delicious like stone fruit note oolong, like a deep, rich, delicious one. I love it. Like it looks really dark, but it's like, oh, it's like I can't even explain. I like it's so delicious and so good. And I don't know exactly why it's called like red oolong or anything like that. I have had a ruby oolong from David's Tea, so I don't know if it's like the same kind of like sort of tea or what, but really, really awesome if you're an oolong lover. So huge thank you to Firebelly Tea for hooking me up with like all of that. I went to Galena, Illinois for the first time over the weekend, and there was a tea shop, and I can't ever resist those cute little tea shops, so I got these two. Turmeric chai, which is black tea, turmeric, holy basil, ginger, cinnamon, and natural flavors, cinnamon and vanilla. And then this one is Bangkok, a flavored green tea, and it's green tea, lemongrass, coconut, and coconut, vanilla, and ginger flavor. So sounds really nice and clean, right up my alley. And I thought the turmeric chai, like what could make chai more cozy, like more than turmeric? It's just perfect. Like I love that like deep, like darker spice, and it has holy basil, which is really cool. So I'm looking forward to trying the two of these. Okay, so that's all the tea I got during my break, and I think I'm gonna try these guys on camera because I'm so intrigued. Like the packaging is a little, didn't know what to make of it at first, but I've only tried like a couple other pours that are in like the little cake forms. So if you want to see me try this one, you're gonna have to come back for the next one. But I'm super curious. So if you made it all the way through the video, let me know down below what teas you have acquired recently. What are you drinking lately? What are you buying? Where are you buying your tea from? I love hearing about new brands. But anyway, I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.